Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I am making a fairly simple coconut cake recipe. It's really delicious. It takes about an hour to put all the ingredients together for your batter and then bake it. And then the decoration is up to you, however complicated you want to do it. You can make a very simple look with it, but it's great for parties and just general get-togethers, and it serves about like 12 to 14 people. And I will be putting the written recipe in the description, so you can check that out. And this is how to make a coconut cake. Let's get baking. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna separate 6 eggs, and we're gonna do that by alternating the yolk between the egg shells, and that will let the egg whites fall into the bowl below. And then you just transfer each part of the egg into separate bowls. And the third bowl is really helpful for catching any eggshells, so you don't have to fish it out in all of the egg whites. Now we're going to equip our whisk attachment onto our mixer, and we are going to add in all of the egg whites. We're going to whip them into stiff peaks. And stiff peaks means that when you bring the whisk out of the egg whites, that they will form a tuft, sort of like little mountain peaks, and it'll be stiff and straight up and it won't flop over. And that is going to make our cake nice and fluffy, and it's going to be really delicious. And then once the egg whites are ready, we're going to transfer them into a larger bowl and set them aside for later. Next up, we're going to add in 1.5 sticks of butter, and we're going to cream that with 2.5 cups of sugar. And we are going to combine that on a low setting on your mixer or your hand mixer. And once that's thoroughly combined, we're going to add in our egg yolks. We're going to add those in one at a time and let each one mix in for a little bit before we add the next. And then once that's combined well, we're going to add in 1/2 cup of canned cream of coconut. Once that's combined, you're going to put 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda into 3¼ cup of sifted flour. You want to sift it so that the flour is fluffy and there's no lumps or anything in it. And you're going to alternate that with 1 can of coconut milk. And you want to alternate flour and then the coconut milk each way, and you want to start and end with the flour so it's mixed in evenly. Then you're going to scrape down the bowl whenever you need to and make sure you get everything in. Then you're going to mix it well. Then once it's combined completely, you are going to scrape the bowl a little more, and then you are going to add your batter into the whipped egg whites that we did earlier. You want to make sure that you put the batter together fairly quickly, because if you wait too long, then your egg whites will get watery. You're going to mix that in circular motions and completely folding over and over until it's completely mixed. Then you just place it in your pans, and you're going to bake this for about 40 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. For our icing, we're going to make a very simple cream cheese icing. It's going to take 4 blocks of cream cheese and 3 sticks of butter. You're going to mix that well, make sure it's all incorporated and there's no lumps of cream cheese. And once it's mixed in well, you're going to add in 14.5 cups of powdered sugar. I know it's a lot. That is equal to 2 7-ounce bags of powdered sugar, I believe. And then you are going to add in a total of 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. I like to add in 2 tablespoons after I've added in half of the powdered sugar, and then I add in 1 last tablespoon after I've added in the rest of the powdered sugar. And the lemon juice is going to make sure that it's at a good consistency, that the icing isn't too loose or too firm. It's just right for icing your cake. And once it's mixed in, make sure to scrape and you put it in a container and wait until you're ready to ice. For our filling, we're going to make lemon curd. That is going to call for 3 eggs, a third cup of lemon juice, 3/4 cup of sugar, and a half a stick of butter that you will see later. But first we're going to mix this lemon curd over a double broiler until it's thick. Then you're going to strain it to get all the egg whites and cooked egg yolks out, and add your butter in here after you've strained it, and you mix it thoroughly to get any butter chunks out. And it's going to be delicious, creamy, buttery filling for our cake. You're going to put in the refrigerator until we're ready to use. The cake assembly is very simple, so I will let you guys watch this lovely montage and see how it goes. So here's the final product. It is a coconut cake with lemon curd filling and cream cheese icing, and then it's garnished with toasted coconut flakes that are sweetened. I hope that you enjoyed this video and you were able to follow along easily enough. Post in the comments how your attempts went, what your friends and family thought of it. I hope that they enjoy. I hope that you enjoyed. And I am done for the day. Like and subscribe if you'd like to see more baking videos. Next time we are making a deep dish chocolate chip brownie sort of thing. So that'll be fun. And I'll see you next time. Bye. So here is the finished product. A coconut cake with lemon curd ice. Okay. So, be quiet, please. Thank you.
Go!
And it was easy to follow along. Dang it, man! And here's the finished. Shut up! Shh. So, goodbye.